Hey, namaste, beautiful goddess. It is Yogini Viv here, and as always, I am so grateful and happy that you are here. Today, we will be doing a practice for the heart chakra. And so, the heart chakra, the energy is very soft. When I began working with the chakras years ago, as I would go through them, I would notice a quietness and a sense, just a stillness and just a shift in energy when I focused on the heart chakra. It was definitely different than the third chakra, than Manipura. So be gentle with yourself with this practice. As always, that's always important. And do as much as you can, and you'll find the more regularly you do this particular sequence or any yoga, it's going to get smoother and you're going to start to feel better and better. So it's really important not to judge yourself wherever you are now. The most important thing is to keep going, okay? Just to keep practicing. So to keep doing your yoga practice. So to get started, we're going to just do a brief practice of centering. Go ahead and lower your eyes. Sitting comfortably, lengthening the spine up, pushing up through the top of the head, and yet pushing down through the buttocks, through the base of the spine, so you feel very grounded. Take several deep breaths in and out. The inhale, feel that you're lengthening your spine, creating space in the spine. The exhale, the shoulders relax down, and any tension just floats right out of the body. Bring the base of your hands together now. Touch the pinky finger and the thumbs. The other fingers are open like a blossoming petal. Feel that you're gathering energy into that in front of the heart chakra. Bring that up, that energy up. Exhale. Feel that the energy just falls down over the body, energizing the body. 2 more times. Base of the palms together. Fingers spread wide, open and receptive, hands. Inhale, up, energy gathering. Exhale, the energy scatters down over the body, cooling, calming, and soothing. Last time. Inhale, the arms up, stretch and lift. Golden, beautiful, bright light, white light, showers over the body, the aura. And now bring the palms facing out. Squeeze the elbows together as if they're going to touch behind the back. Then the arms go out. Inhale. Exhale. We're working into the back of the body. Squeeze the upper back together. Squeeze and then extend the arms out. Inhale up. And then bow the head and the upper back, round the upper back, and just feel that you're opening up the upper back, the back of the heart chakra. And we'll continue now just flowing right into a cat-cow, but just limited to the upper back. All of your focus on the center of the chest and the area between the shoulder blades. So you're opening the back body when you round, and you're opening the front of the body as you inhale and arch. Exhale, round. Just continuing that beautiful movement. Just really feeling your focus is right the center of the chest, Anahata chakra. So the whole spine will move, but the emphasis is upper back. So squeeze when you arch, round the shoulders forward when you round. When you open and arch, squeeze the shoulders back. It's really nice movement there. And now nice circles up, really slow, luxurious circles up to the ears, squeeze to the back, then pull it all the way down, forward. Really nice, juicy, exaggerated movement here. It's going to feel wonderful as you come to the completion of that movement. Drop the head to the left, chin forward, and over to the right. Just making half circles from one side. The head just rolls to the other side, ear towards one shoulder, chin forward to the chest, take it to the other side. And then rolling back to center. We round the upper back one more time, but now we go into moving. You're grabbing each knee and use that as a fulcrum to stretch right into the upper back and then unfold the spine. Small movements that really activate the energy body, the subtle body. Mindfully coming up now to all fours, spread the fingers wide, hands underneath the shoulders, knees are hip distance apart. The same movement now. Keep it focused on the upper back. The whole spine will arch, but the emphasis is on the upper back region. And even when I'm arched, you can see I actually sink down in that upper back. That's just very specific for what we are doing here with the heart chakra. And then we're going right into puppy. So just pull the hips back and feel as if the armpits are going to press down like they're going to kiss the earth. They're going to press. The chest is going to go down. Really nice opening for stiff shoulders. You can move a little bit there. Breathe. Fingers spread wide. Palms are flat. And now if you'd like to deepen the posture, go ahead and bend the arms, pressing into the elbows so the palms are together over the back of the head. And that gives a little more of the stretch to the triceps and deep into the shoulders. Exhale, lower the palms back and slowly round the back to come up. So we keep doing this, arching and rounding. Up to kneeling position now. Shoulders up and back a few times. And then sliding back into puppy. So it's a gentle flow back to all fours. Knees quite wide now. We're going into what's called threading the needle. With the knees wide, we're going to take the left arm, and as you exhale, thread it under the right arm. So you're on the side of the left arm and left shoulder. The side of your head is resting on the floor. The knees are quite wide. Just twisting into the upper spine. Let the breath keep gently flowing, and then the right arm goes up, and we'll just make some circles. Make some circles with that arm that's in the air. Stretch it back and down and overhead and around. I'm even just moving my fingers and my wrist. It's all about getting the subtle energy flowing. That's what you want to feel from the postures. Exhale. If you'd like, drop that arm behind the back. Fold it behind the back. You're on the left side of the head, but most of the weight is on that shoulder, and preparing to release. Unthread the needle, place the left hand down. On an exhale, thread the right arm under and through. You're on the right shoulder, the right upper arm there. The right side of the head is resting on the floor, but there is not any weight on the neck, on the shoulder and on the knees. And if you'd like, just stretch that left arm up, making big circles around, opening up that shoulder. Stop any place that feels good. Move it around a little bit. Fold that arm behind your back. And if your arms are long, you can even reach, and you might be able to hold the inside the thigh just to deepen the stretch. I'm really trying to twist more when I exhale. And release it. Gently place that hand down, and on an in-breath, push yourself up. Unfold that right arm. arch and round. Arch and round, sliding into puppy, smooth, graceful, flowing. And once you feel nice and complete in that puppy stretch, rounding your back to come up to a kneeling posture, if that is comfortable, and right away just go into circling the shoulders. Nice, yummy movement, resting with the palms facing up, noticing the changes that have happened. Before we transition right into Paschimottanasana, with the legs straight, you're going to grab the buttocks and just sort of pull back so you're sitting more on the bones, the sits bones, and you'll be able to stretch forward more fully, both right and left. And now bring the hands flat by your side, Dandasana, just straighten the spine. Press for a moment. Legs are straight, arms are pushing so that the spine is straight. The full forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Flex the feet, heels forward, toes back. Inhale, sweep the arms up, palms facing each other, lean back, and exhale, fold forward. Bend the elbows always and grab onto the leg. Inhale, come back up. Inhale, third time, you're up. Deep, deep breath. Exhale, swan dive forward. This time we will hold the position. We're going to grab a block because we'll be holding this pose, making it more of a yin stillness pose. So if you have a soft block or a thick pillow, resting the forehead. Just let go of all your weight as you release gently into the posture. So your forehead is resting on a support. You're able to breathe. The legs are straight if possible. If the knees need to have a slight bend, that's okay. Work where you are, and eventually you'll be able to straighten the knees completely. You may find as you hold this pose now that you feel a little more loosened up, and then lower yourself a little bit more by perhaps lowering the height of the pillow or switching the height of the block as I do here. This pose is wonderful for anxiety. It works directly on the bladder and kidney meridians, which have to do with fear. And fear is the underlying cause of anxiety, feeling anxious, feeling afraid, and this pose counteracts that in a very deep way. When you're ready, we're going to come out of it very slowly, just lifting up nice and slow, removing the block, and we're going right into Shavasana, into our final relaxation. Feel free to put on your socks, as I have, because the body will cool down as you deeply rest. So get a blanket, have a pillow for your head if you need it, and then bring your knees together, feet apart. Knees together, resting, supporting each other, the feet apart. So it's like a tent, like a teepee holding itself up. Palms are facing up. The head is level. The chin is slightly tucked. The back of the neck extended. Just resting. Nothing to do. Just allowing the powerful benefits of the postures to be felt as the body resets itself, as everything slows and calms and cools down. When you're ready, the best way to come up is to roll over to one side and then use your arms to push yourself up to a seated position. We'll do a final sharing after I chant Om. You can join in with me if you like. Om. And if you'd like to know more about the heart chakra, click the video that's going to pop up now. It explains all about what the heart chakra governs. There'll be another video popping up now as well. That would be a wonderful follow-up for this heart chakra practice. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment. It really helps the channel. And give it a thumbs up as well. Mwah. Stay blissed, stay blessed. Bye-bye.